Ready, go.
I
Go.
am candidly.
Do it.
Motherfucker.
You gotta one up me. Oh, that was epically good.
And just imagine this, however many years later, this is how you're gonna remember.
Hell yeah!
Sitting on an Xbox, or sitting on the fucking couch playing Xbox and belching.
Yep. Mary, Steph.